Hey, what's up everybody? This is Olabo Mobile WizTech and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the Reolink dual Wi-Fi camera. And I'll be jumping right in right after this. Now, before I get into this, if you end up liking this content, please make sure you give this video a like by mashing that thumbs up button. Also, if you want to continuously receive content like this, please consider subscribing to my channel by hitting that subscribe and the notification bell button. That way you can always stay informed whenever I post new content on my channel. All right, so before we open up the box, let's go ahead and look at some quick specs here. For the video resolution, you can get up to 2K, all right? Pretty cool. 4 megapixels and 15 frames per second. All right, let's drop down to the field of view. As you can see here, the field of view, horizontal is 150 degrees and vertical is 44 degrees, okay? All right, of course you can get color night vision, all right, because it has 8 LEDs. All right, now for the color temperature is 6,500 Kelvin and then 560 lumens. All right, now for storage, it can support up to 256 gigabytes for the micro SD card. And for the protocols, these are the different formats it supports, all right? Right here. Those are all the formats it support for the different protocols and standards. Now it is, let's see, for wireless, actually gonna go over here. You can use both bands, 2.4, and you can also use the 5 gigahertz. Pretty cool. For water resistance, is rated IP66. And as far as the temperature, so operating temperature, all right, as you can see here, operating temperature is 10 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius, or 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 131 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, so with that stated, let's go ahead and open up this bad boy. All right, slide this open. Now, keep this in mind that when you do purchase yours, it won't come in a box like this. This is the pre-production version of this. So I'm pretty sure it will come in a more official packaging. But you have this here. All right, and I'm sure this is, yep, install instructions, and then a quick start guide. You have the 2 antennas for Wi-Fi. All right, and lift this up. See what else we got here. Mounting screws and anchors. Power plug. And a power cable extension. All right. Put this down, Ethernet cable. We have a screwdriver, which is a Phillips screwdriver, and then mounting bracket. And here's the camera. Slide this off. And you also have these inside of the packaging as well. All right, this will be used for the mounting. All right. And you also have the camera arm. All right. And this is what would mount. So this will be mounted to the wall, like so, I believe like this. And then, yeah, that's how that will sit. And these are the waterproof connectors for the Ethernet cable in case you're going that route versus using Wi-Fi. All right. And you can see at the bottom, here, this is for the power. Get a better focus. This is for the power right here. And this will be for Ethernet. All right. You better focus on that so you can see it clearer. There we go. And as you see here, there are two different lenses. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this. Each lens has its own spotlight LEDs, as you can see here. Also infrared, and it has a light sensor here and a mic. And if you take a look here, you have the antenna threads, all right, for the wireless antennas, all right. And those should install quite easily. Just twist this here and twist it on. Just like that. And that's it. And do the other side as well. And of course, this is where the AC power will connect to. You just simply plug this in here, and that takes care of that. Now, since this is Wi-Fi, you have the antennas, chances are you won't use this, but this is here just in case. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and get this connected. You need to download the Reolink app. There'll be a link in the description so you can have access to this. But once you have that downloaded and installed, you'll go ahead and get this plugged up. And then once you go ahead and get it plugged up, you can scan and add your device. Now, after you download the app, or if you already have the app and you're ready to add an extra camera, you just hit the plus sign there and then scan the QR code that's on the camera to add it. All right. So I've scanned it, and now I'm going to go ahead and accept that I've heard the sound and whatnot. Yes, I have. Hit next. Accept the permissions. And then connect to your Wi-Fi. And now it's time to scan the QR code. Now it's time to scan the QR code. All right. When you get to this screen, and then you just hit scan now and then show you your QR code. Now, if it doesn't work, all right, you can always use the Ethernet cable and connect it to your router to get it linked up to your camera. All right, so I'm connected, and you'll get the greeting once it's connected.
Connection to the router succeeded. Welcome to Reolink.
And that's what you will hear once it's connected. All right, as you can see, it's connected. You can see the wide view there. All right, so it shows the entire table and the wall and how everything looks. Now it's time to go ahead and get this mounted up outside so we can see how everything looks when it's outside. All right, the first thing you would do, you would go ahead and get this screwed here. Screw them in each hole, the top holes here. And then once you do that, you will put this, make sure that this is up. You put the arm right in here, and it should link in just like so. And then you just screw in to that wall mount. Now, before I install the camera, I'm going to go ahead and remove this and install my micro SD card. Remove these screws here. And if you look closely, there's also a reset button there. You stick like a toothpick or something inside the hole if you need to factory reset it. All right. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and install my micro SD card. Just drop it right in there. All right, so you can see it's there. And pop it in. And then you can just take this part here, stick this here, and then screw that on there, just like that. All right, if you look here, you can turn this off. If you look here, you can trigger an alarm. You can turn the flashlight, or should I say spotlight. You can turn it on manually there. All right, and you have settings here. And go back here, you can change it from auto to black and white or to color. All right, you have those options there. You can go into settings. All right, let's see here. Let this load up. And you can actually do two-way talking. Turn this on. You can talk to the person on the other side or it's face around the camera and then have a conversation with them. All right, so you just press this, hold this to talk, say what you have to say, and then the microphone that's on the camera will allow the other person to be able to talk to that and you can hear them through your phone. So pretty cool. All right, check out the settings real quick. A lot of options here. For the time sake of the video, I'm gonna go through all of them. All right, if you go to display, you can change the quality. All right, the resolution right now it's on 2K, but you can switch it up and drop it down to 1080p and the different frame rates here, as you can see. Also, you can change the max bit rate. And then here you have different options as well. And then you could change your brightness, the anti-flicker. You could change the settings there from 60 Hertz to 50 Hertz, or you can tap other, but I'm going to leave it at 60, all right. And you could change the camera name if you want to. And then you can have it where the watermark is off, as you can see there. It's gone now, but if you want to leave it on, you can. All right. So all in all, pretty cool settings, and that's for lens 1. You can do the same thing for lens 2. The Reolink Dual, I think it's a true definite winner. Maybe the best camera I've ever owned so far. I mean, the wide view is awesome. The spotlight is awesome. The different options are awesome. The fact that it's dual band is awesome. And this completes my unboxing and review of the Reolink Dual Wi-Fi camera. I thank you for watching this video. And if you liked it, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. Also, share it out and comment below. Until next time, keep it mobile.